The next case we have taken, an object is placed beyond C. What is meant by beyond C? Means little bit away from C. In this case, where it is going to make the image, we are going to draw the diagram. Chalo, try karo. I am going to take the spherical mirror. This is the spherical mirror. It is colored, sir. This is the principal axis which pass through the pole. This is the focus. This is the center of curvature C. Now according to our question, where we have taken an object, the object is beyond C. Beyond C means I am going to draw. What is meant by beyond C? Mean I told to you, little bit away from C. I am going to take, this is the object. Name I have given AB. Okay, so in the previous slide I told to you, when you want to draw an image, we required how many rays minimum? 2 rays. And how many rules we have to follow? 4 rules. So now you remember that 4 rules, and you remember that how many rays we have to draw? 2 rays. So please draw the 2 rays from any location, but you have to follow that 4 rules. So now for first to get the image of A, I am drawing like this. Sir, for A, ray is coming like this, coming from the principal axis. Then I am going to say it get the reflection C, because it is coming, passing through from the C. That's why get the reflection in the same path. That's why image of A is, we know, sir, it is on the principal axis. For B, I am going to take the first ray is parallel to principal axis. This is the ray I have taken on a parallel to principal axis. If the ray is parallel to principal axis, it can pass through the focus. Rule you know very well. This is the reflected ray. One ray is the completed. Which rule I applied? When the incident ray coming parallel to the principal axis, it can pass through the focus. Second rule, you know very well. Do you like to take which one? Here so many options are there. You can take the ray from the focus parallel to principal axis, or you can take directly from the center of curvature. It will again pass through in the same opposite direction. 2 options are there. Otherwise you can take like this also, falling at the poles, or directly it is going like this, sir. Your wish. You can apply any out of the 3 rules. One rule you can apply. For me, this is easy. I am going to take that rule is, the ray is coming from the focus. If it is coming from the focus, you are going to get the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. So if your eye is here, these 2 rays reached your eye like this, it is also reached like this. They reached your retina. Then our brain given suggestion from where the 2 rays came. That I told to you, they are going to retrace, tick 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 tick, like this they reached here. This ray also reached, tick 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 tick, reached here. Then where you got the image? So they are going to say this is the image of whom? This is the image of the B dash. Then automatically this is the image of whom? A dash. So this is the image of AB. From the diagram, I hope you understood. When the object is beyond the C, image is between C and F. One thing is the clear. Second, please try to observe and say the answer for me. Size of the object, size of the image, please compare. Size of the image is smaller than to object, and image is real or inverted? It is inverted and real, because it is inverted means what happened na? Head became the tail, tail became the head. Real means we can place on the screen. Already I told in the previous lecture. So please, if you get the confusion about the real and virtual image, please try to see the previous video. So now I am going to write the properties. When an object is placed beyond C, what are the properties of image? Properties of an image. When object is beyond C, first property is what? Formed image. Where is the image formed? Between where? it is formed between C and F. Clear? Because image is between C and F only, that only I wrote. Second point, if you observe clearly, I am writing image is smaller than an object. Means size of the image, size of the object, if you compare, size of the image is small. And next one is it is real and inverted. What is meant by real? I told to you, we can place on the screen. Clear? Inverted means B, if you observe, B is the head. Now B became ulta reverse. Head became tail, tail became head. Isn't it? So this is the case. One case, that is the when object is placed behind the C. So now from this one I am getting one interesting thing. Sir, if an object is behind the C, image is between C and F. If I place object between C and F, where we are going to get image? So now, to tricky way, because why I am doing like that means easy to remember the answers. After completing these diagrams, I will give the one summary table easy to remember for examination purpose. So now I am getting that thing. If object is behind the C, image is between C and F. If I take object is between C and F, where the image is going to form and what are the properties? That's why I am going to take this. Next one is what, Nana? Now I am going to take third one is an object is placed between C and F. So fastly, then try to complete the diagram. I am going to take, sir, this is the spherical surface, tick, 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 tick. Now colors are, this is the pole, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus. Now where we have to take the object, Nana? Object is between C and F. I am going to take, this is the object, it is the A, this is the B. When you have taken the object is between C and F, according to our condition, we have to draw the image. If you draw the image, how many rays we have to take? 2 rays. Take the ray, first ray. Which rule you are going to follow? I am going to follow, when whatever you want to follow your wish, but I am following easy rule, that is incident ray is coming parallel to principal axis. If it comes parallel to principal axis, reflected ray will go like this or through the focus. Very good. Second rule you are going to take, I am going to take the same rule. If they are coming from the focus incident ray, it is going to parallel to the principal axis. Then once observe, this is the location of B. Now where we got image of the B? This is the B dash. Now automatically this is the B dash, means if the incident ray is coming like this, reflected ray will move in opposite side. So now where is the A? Opposite to the B only. Then I am going to say this is the A dash or this is the B dash. Once observe here, very interesting. When the object is behind C, image is between C and F. Here when object is between C and F, where is the image? Behind the C. So that's why I have taken this case. Interesting to remember. If object is behind C, image is between C and F. If image is between C and F, object is behind C. Clear? So now again observe, what are the properties of image? Same sir, once observe that image is inverted. We can place on the screen. And second thing, you are going to observe clearly size of the object, size of the image. If you observe, size of the image is bigger. Then write the properties of an image formed by the mirror when the object is between the C and F. Properties, I am writing. Properties of an image. What is the first property, Nana? It is formed beyond C, little bit away from C. Second one is image is bigger than an object. Okay, and next it is real and inverted. So many times real it is coming. What is meant by real means, I am going to again repeating this thing important to you. We can place on screen. So when the object is behind the C, it is between C and F. When it is between C and F, it is beyond the C. I hope you understood these two cases. Okay, we will go to the next two cases. Okay, next case is we completed at the C, beyond the C, between C and F. Again, little bit I am moving forward. That is, if an object is at focus. See here, I am going to take the mirror. What is this? This is the pole, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus. We completed previous three. One is at the C completed, beyond the C completed, between C and F completed. Little bit coming forward the object, I have taken the object is now, where is the object? I have taken object is at the focus. That's why I wrote here object is at focus. If you are going to place at the focus, again the same rules. If I am going to take the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then I am going to say the reflected ray can pass through the focus like this. This is the reflected ray. Second ray you can take. I am going to take the second ray, not possible to take from the focus. If you take from the focus, it is not going to fall on the mirror. That's why remaining how many options are there? Once observe, you can take directly falling at the pole. You can take. Otherwise, you can take from the center of curvature. Also no problem. Then easy for you. I am going to take if the ray is coming and falling at P. You know that the ray gets the reflection like this. This is angle I, this is angle R. Angle I equal to angle R. Once observe, I placed my eye here. I am going to place my eye here. Then these two rays came and reached the retina like this. Then my brain given the suggestion from where these two lines came, find it. Then these two, my eye is retracing like this. They are not going to meet. Then I am going to say, sir, it is too much far away, I am not going to meet. Then where is the image is found? Are you able to see that image? No. We are unable to see the image means where it is too much far away. If these two rays are going to meet like that, once observe, this is the principal axis. Just imagine. This is the principal axis. These two are going like this, downward. If they are going to meet, you are going to get the image. So if you are unable to see this side, I am drawing here. This is the principal axis. If these two rays are going to meet like this at the infinite, imagine that anywhere one location they met. Then once observe, the size of the image is very, very bigger size. So now I hope you understood that when the object is placed at the focus, where is the image formed? At the infinite. Then same it is inverted. Inverted means it is the real image. Size is, now only I told, it is the very, very bigger size. So please write the properties of the image. Properties of an image. I am writing there. What is that? And the first one is, it is formed at infinite, means we are unable to see. Size is very, very big size. That's why I write very bigger. And another one is real and inverted. Okay, this is when the object is at the focus where the image is going to form. So same like this only. I hope you got one more point. Sir, if object is at the focus, image is where? At the infinite. If I take object is at infinite, where I am going to get the image? So logically we can remember, before also we have done like that only. When object is between C and F, image is behind C. When object is behind C, image is between C and F. Now if you are going to take object is at F, you got it, image is at infinite. If I take at the infinite, where it is going to form? Okay, now I will see it. So now I am writing here, an object is at infinite. At the infinite means where is the object? We don't know. That's why I told you now. If you compare with now, I am going to say like this, my venture, this NTPC Ventures gate, I am unable to see. That's why I kept here like this. When I am seeing, for example, take the sun. When you are going to see the sun, we are able to see. But what is the distance? Too much far away, sir. That is called infinite, isn't it? Because it is very brightful, that's why you are able to see. But it is too much far away. Then I am going to ask that when the rays are coming from the infinite, they are parallel. Why, sir? Now only I told to you, these two rays are parallel to each other. That's why they are going to meet. Means where they are going to meet, I don't know. That's why I told at the infinite. When the rays are coming from the infinite, the rays are parallel to each other, isn't it? Because if they are going to intersect, for example, observe, from the sun, rays are coming like this. If these any two rays are going to intersect at the middle, are you going to get the image or not? Yes, we will get the image. But when you see the sun anywhere at the middle, for example, you are seeing from here, are you seeing any images? No. Then that's why what I am going to say, the rays which are coming from the sun, that rays are parallel to each other. They are not intersecting. They are not intersecting means from this much of distance they are not intersected. Then automatically we are going to say that rays are parallel to each other. So now when we are going to take an object is at the infinite, the image you have to take, the rays are parallel to each other. Is it clear to you? So now I am going to make the diagram. So first draw the diagram, Nana. I am going to make, this is the concave mirror surface, this is the principal axis, this is the poles, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus. Now where is the object? Object is at infinite. Means infinite means too much far away, we are unable to see. When the object is at far away, the rays are parallel to each other. Then I am going to take, the ray is coming like this, one ray is coming parallel. If the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. This is the reflected ray. Second ray you can take from the top, you can take from the bottom, no problem. I am going to take like this. This is the second incident ray. It is going to pass through the focus. This is the focus. This is the reflected ray 1. This is the reflected ray 2. For example, you kept your eyes here. It is also reached. It is also reached. When you are going to retrace, what is going to happen? Sir, this ray and this ray both are going to meet at this location. That is what, Nana? Focus. Did you find what is the size of the focus? Image. at the focus, what is the size of the image? Very points are. Clear? So now when the object is at infinite, what is the size of the image? Point. Can you compare this one? In the previous you have seen that when object is at the focus, image is very big. Now when the object is at the infinite, image is very small, or it is the very pointed one. It is the real and inverted. So now it is reverse of this case. And previous also you have seen when the object is B and C, when the object is between C and F, both are reverse to each other. So like that, now also I am going to write the properties. What are the properties I am going to write, Nana? First one is image is very small, otherwise pointed. One is the clear? Second one I am going to say it is at focus. Third one is real and inverted. Is it clear for you? This is when the object is at infinite, the image is at the focus. One more case is there, I hope you remember, that is the object is between the pole and focus. That also we will discuss. Just 1 second.